Hello everyone and welcome to my Camera State YouTube channel where we explore the intersection of music, tech and traveling. Guess what showed up on my doorstep 3 weeks earlier than expected? The brand new Thermomix TM7 from Vorwerk. Now, full disclosure, I've always been on the fence about Thermomix. My family and friends swear by it, they love it, use it daily and couldn't imagine cooking without one. But for me, the older models just felt bulky. The interface with the dial and the laggy display on the TM6, not my vibe. But then the TM7 was announced with a fresh design and serious feature upgrades and I couldn't resist, so I ordered one. This is my very first Thermomix experience and in this video I'm sharing my first impressions, the unboxing, setup and of course my first cook, butter chicken. Stick around for that. The TM7 arrived via DHL and honestly the packaging is sleek and premium. Inside the box you'll find an excerpt of the user manual, 3 separate packages for the main unit, mixing bowl and Varoma steaming system. The main box includes the updated spatula, now heat resistant, durable and ergonomically improved, the flexible tip, a great touch for scraping out even the trickiest leftovers. Then there's the TM7 base unit, the heart of the system. It's a solid 6.5 kilograms, 25.3 centimeters wide, 40.5 centimeters deep and 12.2 centimeters high. Up front, we get a gorgeous 10-inch multi-touch display, bright, high resolution and easily on par with modern tablets. Way better than it looks in photos or video. Seriously, this is a massive leap from the TM5 or TM6. In box 2 we've got the 2.2 liter stainless steel mixing bowl, now with added insulation, which brings its weight to about 2.1 kilograms. It's not too heavy to handle one-handed, though I don't have a previous model to compare it to. Once you add food, it can weigh over 4 kilograms, but thanks to the insulation you can grab it comfortably with both hands. Inside the bowl, the universal plate, unchanged from TM6, the mixing lid and cap, a steaming basket and the butterfly whisk aka the stirrer attachment. Box 3 has a Varoma steaming system, now redesigned with a total capacity of 6.8 liters, nearly double the TM6 version. You can now steam full-length asparagus thanks to the elongated shape. Also included a 3 months free trial of Cookidoo, Vorwerk's recipe platform. Since I was a first time user, I even got an extra month for free. The Cookidoo integration is a huge reason I went for the TM7 and spoiler alert, it doesn't disappoint. Powering on takes a minute or two on first boot. You choose your language and country, then go through a few safety tips, also covered in the quick start guide. The screen is extremely responsive, even with wet fingers it works smoothly, I can confirm that from personal experience. Next, connect it to Wi-Fi, link your Cookidoo account or register a new one. You then get to choose between 3 home screen layouts. As a newbie, I went with daily inspirations. The TM7 plays a cheerful little jingle when an update is ready, which I installed right away. After a reboot and another safety reminder, we were good to go. I also activated my free Cookidoo trial by scanning the QR code and entering payment info via the Cookidoo app. Before I started cooking, I explored the menu. Everything was still empty, no favorites, no saved recipes. But what stood out were the manual cooking modes, including kneading, sauteing, steaming, turbo blending, pureeing, egg boiling, open cooking, water heating, reheating, rice cooking, thickening, slow cooking, fermenting, sous vide, peeling, grating, slicing, spiralizing. Yes, spiralizing, and more functions are apparently coming via updates. After a quick rinse cycle, just 1 liter of water and a drop of soap, I jumped into my first real test, butter chicken. Thanks to Cookidoo, I browsed high-rated chicken recipes and found a great one, but first I had to go shopping. Of course, I didn't have everything on hand. Fortunately, the shopping list feature in the Cookidoo app is amazing. You select a recipe and it creates a grocery list based on what's missing from your pantry. Super handy. Back home, I started cooking, and this is where the TM7 shines. Guided cooking walks you through every step. The integrated scale is a lifesaver. Just follow the measurements and prompts. Add too much or too little, you will have to confirm the step manually. Otherwise, it checks things off automatically. The whole process was seamless, intuitive, fun, even a little addictive. And the result? My entire family loved the butter chicken. I made rice separately, but the TM7 could have handled that too. A quick note on noise levels. I was genuinely surprised by how quiet the TM7 was throughout the butter chicken process. The TM7 was even quieter than the dishwasher running. That's a big upgrade from what I've heard about previous models. Cleanup also easy. The self-cleaning functions make a big difference. The lids angles are a bit tricky to clean by hand, but everything else was manageable. So is the Thermomix TM7 worth it? Here's my honest take. No, you don't need one. You can absolutely cook everything it makes using standard kitchen tools. But, and this is important, the TM7 simplifies, streamlines and elevates the entire cooking experience. It replaces multiple appliances, inspires creativity and adds structure to your kitchen workflow. I get now why so many people swear by it. If you've got questions about the TM7 or want me to test specific recipes or functions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It helps the channel more than you know. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.